That right there, that bag is hanging in a tree and took about 7 attempts. I've tried to throw it on higher branches, I've smashed it into the tree, I've smashed it on the ground, I've pulled it through hedges. At this point, I don't care if anything eats my food that's in there. It can have it. As long as it leaves the rope behind, I don't care. It can have it. Here is my campsite for the night. And I got a fire burning. Yeah. My dinner's actually ready. It's been cooking itself. Have that in a minute. And my food is safely, well, maybe not safely, tied up in a tree down there. So, yes. Last night in the USA, so sad. Gotta have a fire. Should have got a beer. Oh well. Well, this is one way to put out a fire. I don't have enough water. Well, I do, but I can't waste it all. I need to use it in the morning. So I'm chopping down all these wet and green branches, flowers, whatever will do, to put my fire out, which has created a bit of smoke. That's okay, because I'm hoping that smoke keeps the bears away. So ta-da! There. Get that away. Get the big pieces away. There we go. Keep an eye on that for the next hour or so and make sure it goes out properly. Machete's coming in handy. Alright, next morning, moment of truth. There's my bag of food still hanging in the tree. Well, I think it actually is. Wow. There it is. Awesome. It's still there. Oh. Oh, yay. Now I can get this down. I had dinner tonight. Woohoo!